If you're over 60 and your knees hurt when you stand, if your fingers feel stiff in the morning, if walking even short distances feels harder than it used to, this is not normal aging. According to large population studies, over 65% of adults above 60 show signs of joint degeneration that could have been slowed or even partially reversed through diet alone. What's worse, joint damage doesn't happen suddenly. It progresses quietly, day by day, until mobility is lost. And once that happens, the risk of falls, fractures, and permanent dependence increases by over 300%. But here's the shocking part. Most of this damage is being fed every single day by one common dietary mistake. Let me introduce the medical voice behind today's guidance. Dr. Michael Harrington, a board-certified rheumatologist with over 32 years of clinical experience, has treated more than 18,000 patients with chronic joint pain and osteoarthritis. Patients who corrected one inflammatory dietary trigger saw reduced joint pain in as little as 14 days, improved mobility within 30 days, and significantly fewer injections or surgeries later in life. As we age, cartilage, the protective cushion between bones, naturally thins. What is not normal is chronic inflammation. Inflammation is amplified by food. Scientific danger. Refined seed oils, commonly labeled as heart-healthy, are high in omega-6 fats that fuel joint inflammation. The one diet change: remove refined seed oils, replace with anti-inflammatory fats. Clinical results: 30 to 40% reduction in joint pain, improved walking speed, less morning stiffness within 30 days. Joint pain after 60 is not a life sentence. A single dietary change today can shape the next 10 to 20 years of your mobility. Subscribe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.